What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Teach TikTok Lawyer a Lesson at Ace Hardware. Okay, we know kids nowadays they learning the law from TikTok and YouTube. Okay, you know what I'm saying? They ain't learning it from me, but they learning it from these TikTok lawyers that think they know what they talking about. Okay, they ain't real lawyers, but they just, you know, whatever. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
On April 20th, 2025, officers responded to an Ace Hardware for a call of a customer loitering.
How you doing, sir?
What's up?
Can I talk to you?
What do you need?
So Ace would actually like you to leave for the day.
Oh, Ace needs me to leave. Am I trespassing?
No, they just want you to leave. So you're not doing anything wrong. They just are asking.
Is this a store policy or official business?
What do you mean by that?
I'm trying to figure out what you're asking me.
I'm asking you to leave the store for today.
Is this official business or something?
Yes, they asked me to ask you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I guess I'm sketching Ace out too much.
All right, well, hold on.
Sir, and you...
Hey, brother. Hey, Officer Torkelson with Crystal Lake Police. I need you to provide some identification for me real quick, okay?
Am I committing a crime?
Well, you're loitering and they want you to leave, and so when you're a suspicious person, I have every right to identify you. All right? And you're going the wrong way from the store right now, too.
Back on the shelf. Give me a second, dude. I'm not breaking the law, dude. I think they think I'm trying to steal something.
No, they didn't say that.
I'm not stealing anything.
No, I believe you, man. I believe you. Do you have your ID on you? Can
you just slow down for a minute? Just slow down.
Okay.
Are you all right?
I'm all right. Are you all right?
Ear infection?
No.
No ear infections.
None at all.
All right, I'm going to use a light just to shine on your eyes. I'm not here to hurt you, but just to see how your eyes are restricting. Are you on any medication or any drugs or alcohol, sir?
Any medications? No.
Okay.
No,
drugs,
I don't have any. I don't have any meds with me.
Okay. Do you use any medication normally? Prescribed any?
Look. I'm gonna put these down really quick. Just slow down. It's not emergency service.
Okay.
We're okay.
Do you have an ID?
We're fine.
Do you have an ID?
All right. Just let me put these back. We're on the shelf before I was about to purchase this. And then after that, if you have any questions, I will answer any questions that you need me to answer.
Great. Thank you. We'll let you put that back down.
Okay. This was, I think these were shooters.
Do you have your ID then?
You asked me to leave the store, so we're gonna rewind. We're gonna do one thing at a time.
I have to identify you in case this comes up again.
One thing at a time.
The first thing that you need to do is identify yourself with your ID. Yes.
Is this a crime?
You are being suspected of loitering.
Suspected of loitering.
Yeah. So I get to identify you. Okay. So I need
Do you need cash receipts?
No. I need you to provide your.
How long does loitering take?
2 seconds if you can give me your ID.
Is this a municipal thing?
No. It's a state thing. So if you can just give me your license, we'll identify you, and then you're free to go.
It looks municipal, and you don't have any ear infection. So if I'm loitering, and this trespassing in Illinois, I have the right to step out of the store. I have the right to be warned.
I don't think you're in the right. I'm not going to argue with you because you're not of any firm right.
I have the right to walk outside, and then we can ask questions. All right. If this is not an emergency, and there's anything you need me to ask outside.
We're trying to expedite this because I don't want to be going round and round with you again.
It's not. This is not expedition.
Okay, so that's what we're.
What is this guy talking about here? Can someone explain to me what this guy is talking about? This guy is literally cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, but he actually thinks he's saying everything with such confidence, and the cops is just looking at him like, what are you talking about? It's simple. Put the stuff back, leave, give your ID, we go about our day, or give your identification, or whatever the case may be. They ain't trying to lock you up. They ain't trying to do none of that. You know what I'm saying? But this is gonna turn into a whole other situation just because he not wrapped too tight. He better get his act together real quick before they get him together, because they, sometimes the cops, you know, they fuse be short, and they working with him now. But he better tighten up, get it together, cause ooh-wee, they about to get him some act right, boy. If he don't tighten up.
We're gonna go
Okay, we're
outside.
gonna just do one thing at a time. I put my stuff back.
Let's walk out. Let's walk
One
out.
thing at a time.
Let's walk out.
We're going outside.
I don't want
Yes,
any
we're walking
problems
outside.
with
Exactly.
either of you.
We're gonna walk outside. And then when we get outside, we'll hand this right down the table. You have a driver's license.
Something?
Okay, because then I'm gonna reach into the bag, and
That's
then you guys
fine.
are gonna flip out.
No.
Because I'm reaching in a bag.
Well, just
Okay,
don't.
would you feel comfortable just providing me with your name and
Okay,
date of
so
birth
I'm
then?
gonna set my bags right there,
That's fine.
and then I'm gonna give you identificating things
Perfect.
that I have.
That's what I'm asking for.
Okay, because I'm looking for FOIA right now.
Okay, great. You can FOIA anything later. Just give me your ID so we can get the hell out of here, dude.
I can't find the FOIA.
You don't need a FOIA.
That's what
Put your
I'm
bag
looking
down and
for.
give me your ID then.
That's all I'm looking for.
Provide your ID. It's that simple.
Now, what did I say? Told you they fuse is getting short. I could have sensed it. See, and I don't watch these videos ahead of time. I could sense it. The fuse was getting short. And now you see the whole tone has changed. It's more, better get it together. Better get it together, boy. They gonna get you right.
I'm hurrying up, dude.
You're not hurrying up. You're stalling, and you're just talking yourself in a circle.
One thing at a time. You asked me for ID.
I've been asking you. That's the only thing we've been asking you this whole time. So just provide your ID.
Okay.
It's that simple.
Okay, so this already has identifying
I don't
things.
care. I want your ID. I don't know what that is. That could belong to someone else. Do you have an ID?
I don't think I have it. Dude.
Okay, then why don't you give my partner your information so he can write it down?
Okay.
Alright, what's your first name?
See, I got Greyhound ticket.
Just talk to my partner. He'll
That's
give.
the last thing I have.
He's gonna ask you your name.
Yeah, Poland.
Your last name?
Yes, Poland. Polish
Isn't your last name?
name. No,
Your
that
last name's
is
not
that
mine.
is not my name. It's not that is not my name, and I'm getting very irritated with that.
Why?
Because it is not my name.
It's not your name.
I just asked you a simple. Like, there's no reason to be upset about it.
I'm trying to get help right now. I'm trying to get
What
help.
kind of help do you need? We can help
Because-
you.
Help with HIPAA.
This
I can't help.
credentials
Oh,
are
okay.
they're with my credentials right now,
Okay.
and it is pissing me off.
You probably have to get a civil attorney for that, right?
Yeah, I'm still trying, dude. I'm freaking trying my best.
Okay.
And I tried to explain that I'm not trying to give anybody a headache or
Okay.
an absolute earful of shit. It's not what I want.
Okay.
It is not what I want right now. I did whole ear infections. No, none of that.
Yeah, no one wants that. All right, Nicholas. You have a warrant for your arrest, so put your hands behind your back.
Dude, it's not,
You have a warrant?
this. I need help. No.
Put your hands
Put your
behind your
hands
back.
behind
You're
Do
under
not
arrest.
touch me,
You have a
man.
warrant.
Yes, you have a warrant.
You have a
Put your
warrant. Put your hands behind your back. Nicholas.
Put your hands behind your back.
Where is
Stop.
it from? No. Please
Nicholas.
read me. Please read me the
Nicholas.
warrant.
Your warrant is out of McHenry County.
Put your hands behind
Okay?
your back.
Put your hands behind your
No,
back.
read.
Make this simple for us.
No, I'm
right?
not. Be a gentleman.
Okay,
Don't.
put your
and
hands-
put your
take
hands
your
behind your
hands
back.
off
You are
me,
under
man.
arrest.
You are under
No,
arrest.
you are under
Take your
arrest.
hands off me,
Nicholas, put your hands behind your back.
dude.
Put your hands behind your back.
Unlock your hands, Nicholas.
Dude, come on, man. Dude,
Hands behind your back.
dude,
Nicholas?
it's not me, man.
Nicholas,
It's not
Stand
me,
up.
bro.
put your
Help
hands
me.
behind your back.
I said, help me.
You're gonna be put on the
Help
ground.
me. Help me, dude.
Nicholas,
Who are you guys?
Put your hands behind
I
your back.
said, help me, please.
we're gonna help you. Put your hands behind your back now.
This isn't help.
Nicholas,
Can you please help me, man?
Put your hands behind your back.
What for? Explain, sir.
you have a warrant.
Explain to me, please. Explain, sir.
Get them together. He ain't
Put your hands
acting
behind your
right.
Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get them
No, I need
together.
help.
Put your hands behind your
Dude,
back.
this
Roll
isn't
to your
help.
stomach and put your hands behind your back, Nicholas.
We're not
I'm
playing.
not gonna ask again.
I need help.
We're gonna
It's
help
raining
you.
and
Put your hands
cold
behind your
too.
back.
Get them together. They don't
How
want to
can
be
you
out there
help
right
me?
now.
You can help yourself by putting your hands behind your back.
Dude, no,
You're under
none
arrest.
of that shit.
Yes, stop right
You're
now.
gonna tell me
You're
how
under
you
arrest.
can help
We
me.
can't help you with HIPAA, okay? So put your hands. It's a separate matter. You have a warrant for your.
No,
Put your hands
no,
behind
no,
your
no, no,
back.
no, no, dude.
Yes.
Put your
I
hands-
have been trying for too long, man.
It's one thing at a time here, sir.
We're gonna roll him over this way. Get this out of the way.
Dude.
Towards me, you. We're gonna go towards
No,
you.
this is not the issue, man. Oh.
Turn over.
Listen to me, man. I'm not your enemy, bro.
Give me your hand.
No.
Want me to tase you?
Stop, sir.
Want me to tase you?
No.
Then put your hand behind your back. Or I'm gonna tase you.
Damn, they said that in unison, boy.
Put your hand.
Help with information, sir.
We already told you no. It's a civil matter. Put your hand.
Oh my God, dude.
We have Nicholas in custody. First warrant. That was unnecessary, dude.
No, this is unnecessary.
I'm not gonna argue with you. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
They got his ass right, didn't they?
Think you're tough shit, man? Ow, that hurts so much. Where are we going, man?
To county.
Is this an emergency?
Yep.
Going to county, bud.
For what?
You have a warrant. We've told
For
you multiple
what?
times.
Go ahead and argue with him.
Hey! Hey, what?
You wanna get a criminal
Hey,
charge?
what, man?
You're on camera.
I don't care!
Yeah, you're gonna catch a
Hey, shut the fuck up, man! Shut up!
The man was charged with resisting arrest and trespassed from the store. Thanks for watching today's video.
Got his ass together, boy. They got him right. Come on, you know, come on. They don't. I already could tell the attitude, the tune. Once he got out of the store, the tune completely changed. But he deserved what, you know, he got what he had coming. You know what I'm saying? You got a warrant. That's why you being lackadaisical, taking your time, don't want to give information, don't want to give your name. You know, that's why it's always something. Every time, it's always something. If most people just don't want to cooperate because they got something in they damn, I can't even talk, man. God damn, I can't even talk, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, I can't even talk. We just gonna end this video out, man. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you rocking with me. You know what I mean? But yeah, so I rate these officers 4 out of 5. I think they did a pretty good job. I think they spent too much time in the store, though. Honestly, I mean, they should have got his ass together long before, you know, that happened. I think it dragged out a little bit too long, especially playing the games in the store. So let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.